DVT allows you to customize the behavior of the editor for regions of code enclosed in common Pragmas. You can fold such regions of code. You can change the editor's background color, and you can also configure the tool to flash a notification whenever editing within a region. Typical use cases include the generated sections of code which are not supposed to be changed by hand, or translation Pragmas. Custom Pragmas are defined per project and saved in the .dvt custom Pragmas XML file. They can be shared using the DVT Settings Management System. Right-click on a project in the Project Explorer view and go to Properties, DVT, Custom Pragmas. Select an entry in the table to see its start and end Pragmas, the background color, whether it defines a read-only region, and other details. Now, let's create a new custom Pragma. The customized regions will be delimited by Start My Pragma and End My Pragma with a green background and a read-only notification. Whenever you add a Pragma, a full build is required for all the comments that already contain it to be scanned. However, changing the properties of a Pragma take effect immediately, for example the background color.